Hey guys, in today's video, we're going to show you how to make your taskbar transparent on Windows 11. Right, so we are now in our PC and it is Windows 11. And what you need to do is go to the lower right corner, the home button, the Windows button here. And when this pop-up appears, all you need to do is click on settings here. So the settings page will appear. And if you look at the left-hand side here with all the main menu options here, all you need to do is click on personalization below the network and internet option. And new options will appear. And before we do this, take note that you need to activate Windows before you can personalize your PC. Right now, this Windows is not activated because I changed motherboards. So, of course, most of the time, 99% of the time, you have your Windows activated. So what you need to do is click on colors here. It's the second option under background. And you're going to see transparency effects, windows and surface appear translucent. So most of the time it's on by default, as you can see here, but I cannot turn it on or off because again, I need to activate the Windows 11 that I have right now. But yeah, that's pretty much it. That's the video. Hope you like it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring the bell icon. We'll see you on the next